In this video, we're going to take a look at the Thrunite TH02 headlamps. What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a product review. I'm going to show you guys two headlamps here from Thrunite. These are the TH02s. Now, I've done a few reviews on a couple other products by Thrunite in the past on my channel, and I'm extremely happy with their products. I think they build a quality product at a really affordable price. Here's a couple previous lights that I reviewed on my channel. This one's the Catapult Mini. This thing can shoot a beam that's over 600 yards at 680 lumens. So this thing, if you need something that really throws the light out there, this is a good light to pick up. It's really compact. And then I also reviewed this TS2. This is kind of like a survival slash camping light, something that you just carry with you. Small, compact, and you can actually charge your phone or any electronic device off of this. Really convenient, affordable, great light to have in your backpack, that in your car. So if you guys are interested in either one of these lights, like I said, I'll go ahead and post a link in the description box below on both of these lights. I also got links where you can pick these up off of Amazon. Those are affiliate links, so if you use those links, it'll help out the channel. Definitely look into Thrunite if you are shopping for a flashlight, headlamp, or anything like that. They got a wide variety of lights. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this Thrunite TH02. All right, guys, so I just want to take a second to talk about the sponsor of this video, My Patriot Supply. Imagine if something unthinkable happens tomorrow. Another natural disaster or supply chain breakdown. We need to prepare for the worst. What I started to do is stock up with emergency food from My Patriot Supply. They are America's largest preparedness company. Act now and save $50 off their popular 4-week emergency food kit. All you have to do is go to preparewithchuck.com to save $50 off your purchase. Now go ahead and put a link in the description box below. Just click on preparewithchuck.com to save $50 off your purchase. Now let's get back to the video. Also, before I get any more into this headlamp, I just wanted to let you guys know I did talk to Thrunite, and they're willing to give out 2 of these headlamps to a couple lucky subscribers to my channel. So make sure you guys stay to the end, and I'll let you guys know how you can possibly win one of these headlamps. I have 2 different versions here. Same light, just pretty much different colors, red and black. So I give you a little bit of option and color there, but everything else is going to be exactly the same. Alright guys, so let's go over what comes inside the box. You're going to get an extra backing plate here. This is what mounts to your headband, and then your headlamp goes in these rings here. This is rubber, but they do give you an extra one here. They have one already mounted on the band for you. And then they also give you in this baggie a couple O-rings, extra O-rings, and then they give you a couple covers here that go on the side of your light, and that is what covers your charging port. And then you're also going to get a charging cable. This is not USB-C. This is the old style Android plug. And then they're going to give you, of course, your user manual. Alright guys, so let's go over some of the specs real quick. It does have a max output of 1500 lumens, and the beam distance is going to be 118 meters. Alright, it has 6 modes. It has Firefly mode, it has low, medium, high, turbo, and then it has SOS. It is waterproof IPX8 down to 2 meters. And this is going to be a headlamp you can pick up for around 30 bucks off of Amazon right now, which I think is a really good deal for what you're getting, the quality you're getting, and the light output you're getting. Alright guys, so we'll go ahead and take a closer look at this headlamp before we go over the modes. You guys can see here, it's got a unscrewable cap on one end that's going to allow you to pull the battery out. It does have an O-ring that's on here. That's why you get the extra O-rings. And this does come with 1 battery. This is their 18350 battery, and it's 1100 milliamp hour battery. On the other side here, you're going to see you got your mode and power button that's covered in rubber, and then you're also going to have your charging port there, and that's going to have a little cover that goes over there to help protect it from moisture, any type of water. There's your LED. This does have a Cree XHP50 LED bulb. And then like I said, this backing right here is rubber. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. Just pop it off like so. Okay, let me turn this light off. And then like I said, there's the rubber backing piece, which makes wearing this real comfortable because it's flexible, so it forms to your head. And then like I said, you do get an extra one of these, just in case for whatever reason this might break. You got an adjustable headband here. Had no problems getting it to fit my head. Take another look at the light here. Not heavy. It's like an anodized aluminum. It's got a little bit of texture right here, and that texture is going to be when you want to swivel this up and down. That's going to help in wet conditions. One other thing I'd like to point out, on the side here where the power and mode button switch is, when you turn it on, it's going to light up blue. And this is just an indicator to let you know what your battery life is. If it's blue, it means that it has 21 to 100% of battery life left. If it's red, it's going to be 11 to 20% battery life. And if it's flashing red, it means it has less than 10% battery life. So nice little indicator there, lets you know how much battery power you have left. Alright guys, so this is what it's going to look like on your head. I got a hat on obviously, but got two ways to adjust it, right here and then over the top. So easy to adjust like any normal headlamp, but real comfortable. Does not feel heavy at all. It's nice and light. And then like I said, it's got the adjustability to be able to tilt it up and then down. What I like to do is, instead of just grabbing it and turning it, because you guys can, I don't know if you guys can see, you get that little bend there. I just hold it at the top and then I can tilt it downwards. So if there's any complaints I would make about this light is the fact that being able to adjust this up and down can be a little tough sometimes, but that would be my only complaint. I've got headlamps that I had in the past that they would start to flop around after a while. So haven't had that issue with this one. Like I said, it's, if anything, it's a little bit tighter than I'd like it to be, but I guess that's better than it being too loose. Real easy to just access the button on the side there. And the modes are super user friendly, easy to use. Just one tap to turn it on and off. And then when you do turn it on, all you're going to do is you're going to hold the button and it's going to cycle through all the modes. And then 3 taps is your SOS. So not too bad. We'll go ahead and I'll show you what it looks like outside. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and test out the light. It's like below 30 degrees right now outside, so I'm just going to shine it into my garage here so you guys can see what the light looks like and how bright it gets. Alright guys, so there's firefly mode there. Nothing crazy. Good enough for a reading light there. Go ahead and put it on low. There's low. As you can see, it's putting a little bit of light there right before it gets in the garage. There's medium. A little bit more light there. Starting to reach to the back of the garage. There's high. You guys can see now it's reaching all the way back to the garage there. You can see my tools on the back. So nice bit of light there. Nice spread. It's not centered in the center at all. It's more of a flood than a spot type light. So you get a lot of coverage. And then we'll go ahead and double tap it. And this will put us in turbo mode. And there's turbo mode. You guys can see that really lights up the garage. It does kick down after a little bit, I noticed. So pretty bright light. Not bad for $30. Does not get too hot at all. Like you're not going to notice it getting hot. Some of the lights I've had in the past get so hot you can't even touch it. But Yeah, decent little light. I think it does a good job. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you guys are interested in winning one of these headlamps, there's 3 things you got to do. All you got to do is smash that like button, go ahead and subscribe, and then leave a comment down below. And out of those comments, I'm going to pick 2 lucky winners, and Thrunite's going to send out to each one of those winners one of these TH02 headlamps. So if you guys are interested in a free headlamp from Thrunite, make sure you do those 3 things. Subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. If you guys did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, if you guys want to purchase this from Amazon, I'll go ahead and put an affiliate link in the description box below. It helps out the channel a lot if you use that affiliate link. I'll put affiliate links for this TH02 headlamp. Then I also put some affiliate links and the review videos for these other Thrunite flashlights, this Catapult Mini, and also this TS2 light. So if you guys are interested in either one of these, go ahead and check the description box. I have links down there for those also. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you later.
Bye.